Alright, something a little different today. This is my 2004 Tacoma, and the headlights are all foggy, and it's getting to a point where they're so dull at night you can hardly see anything in front of you. Both of them. It's funny because the side markers are crystal clear, but we're going to try something I see on the internet all over the place. It's going to try some Mother's aluminum polish, and we'll buff them out, and then put some 303 protectant on there and see if it works. If it works, we're going to put this on YouTube. If not, then we're not. Alright, here's what we're going to use. The Mother's aluminum mag polish. Mag and aluminum polish. And I've had these buffers sitting up on the shelf for years, so we'll try it. This yellow one seems to be a little stiffer than this one. Well, we got the old conventional buffing pad here, but we'll try that. And we got the right angle drill, variable speed, so I can keep it at low speed or turn it up a little bit without burning and melting the plastic. So, alright, let's bring this outside and see what it does. Oh yeah, forgot to mention the 303 protectant here. That's for ultraviolet protection. And we'll see how that works. Alright, yeah, we'll try and stay out of your way here. But we gotta smear some of this all over this light. Alright. Oh, there's some over here. Alright, give it a try. We'll turn it up a little bit. Not that much. Wow. Yeah, actually, so it's doing pretty good. Put another coat of slop on here. Yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good. We'll get a micro fiber towel and wipe that down a little bit. Alright, yeah, I'd say that worked pretty well. It's a microfiber towel here. Other than the mess it leaves, actually looks pretty good. Let's spray a little protectant on there. See how that works. Okay, let it dry on there. Let me take it off the tripod and we'll compare the two. Alright, here are the two headlights. And we got a low sun, so the sun is hitting them pretty direct. You see that one? You can hardly see the bulb behind it. But this one over here, crystal clear. You're seeing this reflection of the sun there, so it might look a little cloudy on the lens, but it's not. Matter of fact, let me stand in the shade here. So yeah, I'd recommend that. It only took probably maybe 5 minutes tops, and works pretty good. Alright, I'm going to do this other light. You guys don't have to see that. You've seen the first one, right? Alright, enough of this. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys for this stuff. Mother's Mag, aluminum polish, and 303 protectant. Pretty good stuff. Matter of fact, I'm going to treat my windshield wipers with that now. Alright.